Okay, I know we're all smiles now. But we need to have this talk, okay? I know you're so desperate to grow your YouTube channel. I really do, but you may be going about it in the wrong way. My name is Veena V. Nice to meet you. Positive vibes only on this channel, and I help you to create effortless YouTube videos, and I fire you up to be an ultimate action taker. That's what life is all about. Being happy and taking action, because if you don't change your life, nobody's going to do it for you, okay? Now, with the intro out the way, let's talk about this, because it's really starting to beep me off, and I know it's starting to annoy a hell of a lot of other YouTubers. The comment section below these videos is not to use as a thing where you say sub for sub. Any small YouTubers want to help each other out, and I get it. I know you're so desperate to grow your channel, but you are going to start annoying the people that you leave comments on their YouTube videos, okay? This has all come about from a comment I left on Sunny Lenza, I think that's how you pronounce her last name, Sunny Lenzaduza video. I need to get my voice right for this, because we need to have a proper, positive, interesting debate on this, okay? Now, coming up on the screen now, you can see it pop up. Below her video, I was getting really annoyed because all I was seeing is, can anybody here want to help each other grow their channel? At her, small YouTubers want to help each other. Small YouTubers looking to grow together. Any small YouTubers want to help each other grow. Any other YouTubers looking to help each other grow, I'm happy to follow back. Sending good vibes to everyone. Okay, I like that comment, but can you just see how annoying that is? That in the comment section of YouTube videos where we are here to learn, to get educated, to get motivated and inspired, we can't even have a conversation in the comments because it's just getting spammed and full of comments like that. I think this is completely the wrong way. This is what YouTube is. It's not about this. But what do you think? Because when I'm looking at these comments, some of them are getting thousands of replies from people going, I've just subbed to you, sub back to me. Have you subbed back to me, yeah? Yeah, I'll sub back. I just think it's a waste of time. Do you know why? Because you are not growing an engaged channel, okay? If you're doing this sub for sub, what happens is, yeah, your subscribers are going to go up. Of course they are. But you are not getting an engaged subscriber because that person is subscribing to you. You're subscribing to them, but then you're never going to check out their channel. In the rare case, yes, maybe you do, but that's maybe a 0.1% chance that you might do that. It's just ridiculous. Please stop it. And none of us are getting value when I'm looking at all these comments below some of my own videos, other people, and it is just full of spam. Now, maybe you're thinking, oh, but Veena, like, it's a good way because people will notice me. Do you know what? What would you get you noticed even more is if you write an engaged comment. If you comment about something, about that video. So say if it was this video as an example, you could write, thanks Veena for this video, really interesting debate, and then put something about yourself or put something about your own channel or just make a thoughtful comment. Me as the YouTuber, that owns this channel that you're watching right now, I am more likely to check out your channel if you write an engaged, no, that's the wrong word. If you write a thoughtful or a thought-provoking comment, okay? If you write something that makes me think, ooh, that's really good, or oh, wow, let me check out their channel. Their username looks intriguing. There's so many better ways to get someone to check out your channel rather than just saying sub for sub. Any YouTubers want to support each other. Now, maybe you think, Veena, you're supposed to be positive. Why are you putting a negative tone on this? And I get it. Look, if you're saying, you might think there's nothing wrong with going, anyone wants to support each other. And of course, we need to support each other. There is enough success out there for all of us. There is enough space and money and subscribers and views and success here on YouTube for me, for you, for every single person that is brave enough to upload a YouTube video. But the comment section is not the place to do that. Write thought-provoking comments. Write feedback for that YouTuber. How can that YouTuber make better videos? What did you like about that video? What can they improve on? Can you in the comment section comment back to other people and help them in some way? I feel like I'm just losing a losing battle. Is that? Do you know what? I really hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Do you? If you don't, I can make another video, but just comment below and maybe you took something from this. But as a small YouTuber, I'm a small YouTuber myself, and I get it. I know you're desperate, you want to grow, but just try it out. Just try it out for a month, rather than you writing those kinds of comments that we all see and I've just discussed a million times. Write something different. What I'm going to do is, because on Sunny's video, I actually wrote this. It's such a shame people are using the comments to say subscribe to their channel. It's pointless, as you won't gain an engaged subscriber. Sunny, love your progress so much. Thank you for repping the ladies. Because I do feel on YouTube there's not enough people, women, talking about YouTube tips and talking about business in general. So that's my bit of support for Sunny, and I put a thoughtful comment. That's how I did it, okay? Now, now a lot of people responded, basically not being very nice to me. One person specifically said, shut up, which I was like, that's not very nice. But, you know, again, it made that debate come out. One person called Mystic Joliton said, I'm kind of okay with these comments, since I'm sure we understand how desperate we can be. But I think we should add a description of our channel like, if you enjoy so-and-so, consider checking out my channel, rather than just sub, please. And I sub back. Exactly. I think that is much better. Again, it's not entirely great to write that, but that's so much better. If you enjoy this kind of topic, then consider checking my channel. Much better. Thank you, Mystique, for saying that. Kev1 says, no one talks about time. It takes time to grow your channel. Look at Veena V. She's been on YouTube for 6 years. And it's true. I have been on YouTube for a long time. It's more than 6 years. I think I uploaded my first video 10 years ago. Now, don't really take my channel as an example, because I've been highly inconsistent. I think I uploaded my first video in 2009 and then upload the next one in 2010. And it's been a really slow progress, but maybe take my channel as an example that, look, it's taken me all these years to grow to 10,000 subscribers. It probably won't take you that long, but just realise that, be realistic with yourself. You're in no rush. YouTube is all about learning, adapting, having fun. Go and check out my last video. YouTube's all about having multi-purposes of your video. So don't think in your head, this video needs to get 100 views and attract 10 new subscribers to my channel. Yes, it's great to have number goals, but with your YouTube videos, have multi-purposes for it, so you do not get demotivated. Click on that card that comes up right now. Go and watch last week's small YouTuber motivational video, and yeah, then you'll realise more. By the way, this is called Move Forward Monday, where every Monday we just talk about what is going on YouTube and just have a discussion with each other so we can all become better people. Remember, in life, it's not about getting bitter with others. Don't look at another YouTuber who's doing exactly the same content as you thinking, oh, look at them. Look at them, I think, wow, they are an inspiration. What are they doing? Analyse their channel. What are they doing really well? What are they maybe not doing so well? And really, 10x that. If they're not doing something well, can you do that better on your channel? In life, it's all about becoming a better person, not bitter. We will end on a comment from Rich the Trucker, who says, Veena V, I hate it when people do that. I hate it even more when someone posts a video saying not to do it and then people still do it. Why not work hard and grow on your own instead of trying to grow with people that won't even watch your content? Makes no sense. But hey, I'm just a small YouTuber as well. LOL. Look, we are all in this together, and I keep saying that, but some of you just don't blimmin' listen. We're all in this together. Grow the right way. Be happy. Just try different videos. Do you know what? We can do so many videos, and I've done so many videos on this channel. It's about your content. It's about your consistency. It's finding different ways to promote your YouTube channel. There is so many things that you can do to promote your channel, to use your YouTube channel, YouTube videos in a different way. It's all about being happy. It's all about taking action. It's all about never giving up. I love you lots. I love this. This is Move Forward Monday. Every single Monday, we talk all things YouTuber related, anything you want to discuss in next week's video. Is there something annoying you on YouTube at the moment? Is there something with your channel and maybe you're just not growing and you just don't know what to do? You're on the brink of giving up. Don't give up, okay? Let's talk about this here every single Monday. Move Forward Monday. Click there to subscribe. Actually, is it over there? And some previous videos will be flashing up on the screen right now. I love you. Stay positive. Take action. See you next week. Bye.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a